that J boy. Far Rock or Mount Avenue today. There's the train coming right now. The next station is oh, that train coming right, the train supposed to come right now. Let's see. That train supposed to come right now. That so that train coming right now. He's at North Content Avenue, something like that. He's coming right now actually. So I'm gonna get to Nostrand at 10 o'clock. So I get home by 10:30. My shift ends at 10 o'clock actually. So by the time I get off the A train, that's when my shift is done. Mm. Shimmy, oh, train, sha-la-la-la. Shimmy, oh, train. Another A train coming right now too. It's another A train. It's another A train right there too. Two of them coming at the same time. But that A train that's supposed to come over here, he's over by North Continental Ave. He's coming right now. He's about to approach, I think, Rockaway Boulevard. He's 5 minutes now. Cause he's gonna approach. Yeah, he's 5 minutes now. He's about to approach. He's at the racetrack. So he's 6 minutes. My phone said 5 minutes. Our next year there. He's going to Ozone Park. And that's the conductor's car. They're gonna make these cars they're gonna extend these cars into the 1, 2, the 1, 3 and the 1, 3 and 6 line. And they're gonna do the 2, the 4 and the 5 line with this too. That's the car they already ordered for the car right here. They ordered it already. Is it 20? Is this? I think it's an R262, something like that. This one gonna have a double doorway. That's what it's not about that. We're gonna have a double doorway. We can walk to the train. Yeah, we can walk to the train. That's the one they're gonna get. The one that's coming right now, he's approaching Rockaway Boulevard. He's coming right now. He's approaching Rockaway. I think Rockaway is the next stop. Let me see. Yeah, he's coming right now. Rockaway is the next stop. And technically, Rockaway is right there. Yeah. He's coming. Shimmy. Train, sha-la-la-la. Train. I'm gonna go home and take a nice bath. That was a boom, bro. I'm working a double tomorrow. I start my shift at 3. I work from 3 to 10 o'clock tomorrow. Cause I gotta go to the museum tomorrow to work. I'm over at 77 and Central Park West. So I gotta get off and take the I'm gonna be over by 77th Street. Take that, start my shift right there after. Go to Manhattan Neighborhood Necklace for 5:30. Do the shift and then leave and then yeah. So shimmy, shimmy, yo. Ooh, train. There's an A train coming right now. I see it. Rockaway Boulevard. After Rockaway Boulevard, it's gonna be it's coming right now. He's coming right now. We can get the train pulling and then sha-la-la-la. Shimmy. Air trains are experiencing delays in both directions. Let's go in here. I'll show you guys. Yo, done. Here it goes. On Thursday, I'm working double too because I'm going to the Transit Museum and coming home in the morning. Go to the museum in the morning, come home and then go to work after. Let's go, baby. There it goes. There's that new egg. That's a new work thing right here, baby.
This is a Brooklyn-bound A train. The next stop is 80th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.